This thing is gonna sound savage. You join us here today at Carbonwurks with this beast of a C63 convertible. We've actually had this car in already. You can see it's already had the full Carbonwurks package. Carbon has been splattered all over it, so it looks amazing. So the owner has come back because he wants to make a little bit more noise out of his car. So as you can see on the floor here, we've got some BR Motorsport downpipes, and these are a really nice kit. They fit very well and they sound amazing. So we're really looking forward to getting stuck into this. I've been explicitly told to do a before and after video by the owner of this car. So we're going to get straight into that, and that part of the video is going to be at the end. We're going to then be joined by DMS Automotive, who are going to do the remapping on this car. So without any more bump, let's get straight into this one and make some noise.
So as you can tell, the noise has scared Dan away. That means you've got me. What's safe to say is that this car's now got the sound to match the looks. So without further ado, we'll cut to the pipes. Stay tuned.